add and subtract mixed numbers. Now that we're working with mixed numbers, we're going to see how we can add and subtract them. Let's have a look. Again, we are working with fractions that have the same denominators, and that is important. So in this problem, we have 3 7/12 minus 2 5/12. I teach the boys and girls to deal with the fraction part first. So 7/12 minus 5/12 would be 2/12. And then we're left with 3 minus 2, which is 1. So 3 7/12 minus 2 5/12 is 1 2/12. Again, the boys and girls have learned if we can simplify, we should. And this would also equal 1 1/6. Let's look at this one over here. We have 4 2/3 minus 3 1/3. We do the fractions first. 2/3 minus 1/3 is 1/3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 4 2/3 minus 3 1/3 equals 1 1/3. We add fractions similarly. We have 8 1/3 plus 3 2/3. We start with the fractions. 1/3 plus 2/3 equals 3/3. 8 plus 3 equals 11. So this is 11 3/3. But remember, when the numerator and the denominator are the same, that is equal to 1 whole. So this would be 11 and 1, which, of course, is 12. Let's take a look over here at our last one on this page. 3 5/12 plus 4 2/12. We do the fraction part first. 5/12 plus 2/12 is 7/12. And then 3 plus 4 is 7. So 3 5/12 plus 4 2/12 equals 7 7/12. Some of the problems that the boys and girls will be doing tonight are presented to them horizontally. And the first thing we do when we have a problem that is horizontal is to write it vertically. So we're going to rewrite this problem. 6 5/8 minus 4. Notice when we rewrite this, we have one fraction subtracting no fraction. So all we have to do is slide the 5/8 right down. 5/8 minus nothing is 5/8. And then 6 minus 4 is 2. So 6 5/8 minus 4 is 2 5/8. Likewise, our addition problem is written horizontally. We're going to rewrite that vertically. 6 3/5 plus 4 3/5. We do the fraction part first. 3/5 plus 3/5 equals 6/5. 6 plus 4 equals 10. The boys and girls should recognize immediately that we have an improper fraction here. The 6 is larger than the 5, so we want to convert that into a mixed number. 6/5 would be equal to 1 1/5. Just write that over here for a second. So this is 10 plus 1 1/5, which of course would be 11 1/5. Oops, slide that up a little bit. So we never want to report an answer that has a improper fraction. That's why we learned yesterday how to write fraction or improper fractions as mixed numbers and mixed numbers as improper fractions. So we will never end up with this situation here. We want to come out with 11 1/5. This is how we add and subtract mixed numbers.